Hello, hello, Fangirl Cheryl here. Welcome to my channel. I'm cooking, but I'm not doing a cooking video. I'll just show you my mise en place and tell you what I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you the end product later on. It just it's too much and too long, and the space is so small for me to do this. Excuse. But anyway, this is not really a cooking video, but it's some cooking advice for sure. So anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Friends, welcome back. Oh, this apron's way too big. There we go. And yeah, I'm Fangirl Cheryl. I do a little bit of everything. Right now I'm up north, so I have the day off today. I spent the morning on live chats with some nomadic friends. And then I went to the store, and now I'm cooking caribou stew. So I've got my mise en place all set up here. If you want to make your cooking easier in the kitchen, do your mise en place. So I just wanted to show you, this was a very small roast. The lean, it's so lean. This is possibly the leanest meat I've ever cooked with. Now I've cooked with caribou just the one time before. I believe it's about a week ago, and set my smoke detector off. I think I've taken care of that problem here, so we'll see. The smoke detector goes off, I'll have to stop and fix the problem. But right now, we're just gonna do it. I'm doing it in my Instant Pots, the entire thing. I've got it on sear saute, because the first thing I want to do is sear the meat. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in here and put my my caribou. And we're going to let that sear for a bit. Yikes. Just for a bit. And then I'll throw the rest of the stuff in, and then that'll be it. It is going to be a short video. I just gotta watch. But, yeah. The thing with me is I'm not doing this. I'm not cooking this the traditional way the Inuit cook it. I watched a couple of videos this morning on doing a stew, and I know they make a lot of stews. However, I don't see, well, not in the two I watched anyway, a lot of spices going in, and I'm a spicy kind of girl. Like, not spicy hot, but spicy. And I could not find any thyme anywhere in town. So I'll just start there and tell you what I got that I'm going to put in. I have some oregano. Yes, I have some oregano. This is the oregano. Oregano, parsley, dried parsley. Some seasoning, like a seasoning salt. These are wonderful in soups or stews. It's the leaves off your celery. And I've got 3 bay leaves, 2 medium, 1 decent size, some salt and pepper. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. Oh gosh, of course I forgot a tool, but I'm close by. Yeah, so that's my spices. The other thing I'm doing, if you see my cooking videos, I use a lot of veg. Love my veg. And I'm doing, there's lots of potatoes and carrots here. You can't really see the mixture, but there's a lot of potatoes and carrots here. Fairly good size bowl. Because I'm hoping to feed a lot of people, and it's going to be a thick stew. I've also got some frozen peas and corn, and some chopped celery, and I have some red onions, but for stews or soups, I like to use white or yellow onion. So, oh my god, it's been a long time since I've cooked with a white onion. I love the smell of them. Anyway, this is a medium and a small, because I like a lot of onions. And they like to put, sorry. They like to put a lot of onions in here too, so. With their caribou. Last time I cooked it with, oh, I wanted to put a little butter in there too. Once again, I'm leaving the frame. I'll be right back. Or maybe not. I thought I saved the knob of butter. But I don't see it anywhere. So I'll have to use margarine. That's okay too. It's all okay. Everything we can make do with whatever we got. We're gonna put a little bit of that in. Wow, she sautees on kind of hot, eh? Sounds like it anyway. I hope you can hear me. Pardon me while I do this again. Maybe I'll try and do it with this hand. I'm left-handed, so it's kind of awkward. Oh, look at that lovely hair. I tamed down my Gordon Ramsay hair from this morning. I don't know if you saw that, but I did another Gordon Ramsay video. My hair was crazy. And when I was bouncing around, my hair was literally jumping. So something happened and I was looking at it in slow motion. It was hilarious. I wish I would have posted it in slow motion. It would have been even funnier. Even funnier. Okay, so we almost got the sear going on here. I mean, we got it going on. But what we're gonna do is take the meat out, put the veg in, and then put the meat back in. I don't want it to overcook. No way, Jose. So here I go again. I'll try and do this quickly. So tell me, what have you guys been up to? What's the weirdest, not the weirdest, what's the wildest meat you've eaten? Rabbit or caribou, deer, moose, snake, alligator, squirrel. See me? I'm a carnivore. I would eat it all. So what I should be doing here, look at this, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah. Not a professional videographer here. Holy lordy. That's okay. Because you know what? It's just okay. I'm gonna, now I look like if my brother's watching this, he's gonna laugh because we were doing this earlier. Struggling with all of it. Oh, there it is. Momente. Okay, I'm just gonna do this, guys. You're stuck with me. There, now I don't have to fiddle with it. I'll finish taking it out and then I'll sit back down and talk to you. Yeah. Heck yeah. Okay, I'm back. So of course, pardon me, I am going to leave those juices in. And we're gonna do the onions. There, it's calmed down a bit. That must have been loud because it was kind of loud here. So that must have been kind of loud for you. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm gonna do the onions and then in a moment I'll put the celery in. Just a little bit. I've decided not to put garlic in. I just don't want any. I'm just afraid that the garlic would overpower the caribou, and I don't want that to happen. Oh, this is just my veggie scraps. I keep all my scraps and throw them in a bag. Keep them in the freezer. I've almost got enough to make a nice veggie stock, so I'm pretty happy about that. So see, I'll just stay here and stir. There we go. All right. It's sounding good. Looking good. Okay, celery. Boop. In she goes. All right. See, there I go again. Hey, look at my arm. Why I don't do cooking videos? My veg. That can go right in the sink. Lots of dishes to do. And I'll put the peas and corn in. So really, I'm just going to mix it all together. I'm not sure what time it is. I think it's... I was considering slow cooking it, but I think I'm going to... look, it's got a meat stew button. I didn't even realize that on this one. So that's perfect. I'm going to try that. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try the meat and stew. Because rice works on rice. Saute works on saute. Meat stew should work on meat and stew. So the spices will be last. Oh my. And I'm going to reach over here. We are on boil advisory for our water. So I boiled a kettle of water. There we go. Put a good amount in there. Slap that over there. I'll just put it all over there and deal with it after. Why would I do that now, right? And then, this is gluten-free. I'm going to use some Nor beef stock because I don't have any made. And, oh, I was going to say I forgot to open this before starting the video, but it wasn't that difficult. Except for my arm being in the way. Okay, so some beef. Oh, you know what? There we go. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, glug. That's what I'm putting in. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. That's 10 glugs. So, if you saw the glugs, you might know, but really you wouldn't. And now, my favorite part, the spices. Voila. And that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm going to stir this up and let it cook. I'm going to change it to, I'll just do that right now. Cancel. Meat stew. Start is helpful. And I have it on normal, so we'll see what happens. I will show you a picture after. I'm sure it's going to be great. I'll tell you the truth, though. So this is Van Girl Cheryl cooking up a storm on a 0 degrees day, but it's freezing rain out there today, so it's kind of... I didn't want to go for a walk today. Too slippery. I don't want to take any chances, you know. And that's it. I'm going to cook. I'm going to catch up on some stuff for the channel. I'm going to watch some more videos of friends. And then I'm going to have, I hope, a relaxing night after I eat my stew. Maybe a nice bubble bath again. And some popcorn, definitely. So thank you very much for watching. And if you feel like it or have a hankering, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, comment. Feel free to, I answer, so far I've answered every comment. I'm just under 100 away now from 500 subscribers. So, oh, that's what I got to do tonight. I got to figure out, I got to do some practice with, I got to figure out how I'm going to do my live. So I know it can't be that difficult, so I'll figure it out. Anywho, so I will say ciao for now. And if somebody doesn't have a smile out there, give them yours. It makes a big difference in the world. Catch you on the next one.